Alrighty, good morning, Friday morning, and we're getting ready to push out this Boeing 767-200 Airborne Express in DHL colors. And if you look above me, you can see there's the nose of the airplane way above my head. There's the beacon of the tug, and on down from here. You see there's the nose gear. So once these guys get ready to go, we'll be ready to push. Alrighty, the beacon's on. Waiting for the clearance to remove those chocks on the bottom. And we'll get her on her way to Kansas City. Airborne Flight 524. A little slow this morning, but nonetheless. The nice thing about the 767 is it does start up pretty quickly. Here's the clearance for that. You can then get that front chalk removed. She kicks it out of the way. And that's my cousin Mike on the headset down there. We've got to remove those wands off that tow bar, that I'm not going to move the airplane until then. Here comes further, pick up the wands. Brakes are off. Goes going that way. Push them over there to 30 left. So first, get this nose clear of these stairs on the right of me that you can't see. I see it is we're pushing a multi-million-dollar trailer backwards, backing it. We're only pushing it, you know, instead. What I like about the 767 is you can see right underneath it whenever you're pushing it out. You really don't. 727 is kind of shallow. You really can't see too much underneath it. You can't see where the lines are and all that good stuff. So I'll tell you what, no better way to start my Friday morning, or to start the weekend pretty much, pushing out a 767. Love it. There you've got the front engine over here about fired up. There's the caravan back there. Take off the 30 right. The airport you're seeing is Lambert International, KSTL. Alright, so we got it straightened out, turning this way, all the way back around. Facing towards the line today. There goes letting her coast to the end. And there we go. I'm giving him a brakes on signal, brakes are on. Talking to the pilots, telling them brakes on. Waiting for the pilot to pull the parking brake. Brakes are indeed on. So I can wait to put these down. Throw reverse, loosen that, pops out of there like so. Then to go back, I go back a little bit. I can disconnect the tow bar. The tow bar is disconnected. You'll let the pilots know that the tow bar has been disconnected. And they're firing up the other engine. I just wait for the all clear signal here before I get going. Pushing those engines, baby. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.